Hello there, and on this platform I'm going to show you all the interface of this and where are the blocks. As you see in the middle of this page, you can see the main content. Here we have the courses and the tasks according to the courses, and on the right and on the left you can see some blocks. So we have a block about code, about participants. If you click on it, you can see all the participants of the course. Let's see, you can see a lot of participants and there are pages. Online users who are online now. About activities, what we can do there. So let's go to tools. What tools we can use. About Screencast-O-Matic, it's there. About forums, let's see what's in the forums. So this is a general forum. About learning forums, so you can find information about the course here. Okay, it's the first time I'm here in forums. Okay, let's go to the course, go back to the course. Forums, some resources about Zoom meetings. You can find the recordings of the meetings. Completion, here you have the tasks you have completed and you haven't yet completed. The level up, it's grading your success. Let's go on the right. You can see the latest announcements. You can see the time in your country, the upcoming events, about presentations, and the last block is about badges that you get for doing your completing the weeks. You get, yes, I have done the first and the second one. So that's all. Thank you for your attention. I hope it's been of help.